Hi guys, welcome to Taylor's Fashion. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make the poet sleeve. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below, and let's get right into this tutorial. First thing I'm doing here is I am taking my pattern paper and I'm folding it in two. This pattern is going to be cut on fold. So these are the measurements we're going to be using. First, you need your armhole circumference, which you would get from your bodice, and then you'd also need normal sleeve length, which is from the shoulder to the wrist, and the last measurement we'll be using is the wrist circumference. So the first measurement I'm putting down is the normal sleeve length, and I'm just going to add 3 inches to whatever the normal sleeve length is. Next, I'm going to take the armhole circumference and I'll divide it by 2, and whatever I get, I'm just going to place that on there. I'm also going to add my allowance, my seam allowance, and I'm just going to try to form this incomplete S shape. If you have a French curve, it will be way easier for you, and I'm just going to mark that out. And this part is the parts that would be attached to the rest of the bodies. So this is the normal wrist circumference I marked down, and if we're drafting like a usual straight sleeve, this is how it would look. But since we're not doing that, we're making a poet sleeve, and the poet sleeve is like baggy and it's big. We won't be using the normal wrist circumference. We're going to take the normal wrist circumference and we're going to add 3 inches to it to form that bigness that is at the bottom of the sleeve. Now we can mark out the little ruffles at the end. I'm taking 4 inches and I'm just marking it out. Alright guys, now I'm just extending the line, and I'm also going to cut out another piece that would be 1 inch wide, and it would be the width of the sleeve, and this is going to be the tunnel where the elastic band would pass through. So these are the 2 pieces, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this to cut the fabric. Now we can get on to sewing, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tunnel piece and place it on the sleeve, and I'm going to place it at the area where we marked out 4 inches. That's above the ruffles area, the line we drew out, and I'm just going to sew it on there. This is it after sewing. I also went ahead to hem the edge, and those were the 2 things I did. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass the elastic through the elastic tunnel. So this is what we have now, and I'm just going to go ahead and sew the seam allowance. I'm just going to join the 2 edges together. And this is the final look after turning it inside out. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you and bye.